Well, time for a refreshing summer drink, so I got out the blender and whipped up a creamy vanilla peach milkshake. This will refresh you on a summer day. It just tastes like summer. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. All right, we're gonna make our creamy vanilla peach milkshake. What we've got here is, of course, the peaches. Now, what I'm using here, I'm cheating a little bit. This is a 15-ounce can of peach halves, golden peaches. That's 3 small peaches, with the skin's taken off and the pit's taken out, or 2 large peaches. So those are gonna go into the mixer, the blender. Then what we have is milk, 1.5 cups of milk, and we have 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. It's about 35% cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 4 scoops, or about a cup of vanilla ice cream. So all that's going to go into the blender. And milk, cream, vanilla, and then the ice cream. Oh, that's going to be good. All right, let's get the lid on there. And again, we're going to bring this up slowly. We're not going to zap it so we have splashing all over the place. So bring it in at a mix, and then we're going to build up speed. All right, basically I'm mixing it until, all the ice cream is mixed up and everything's smooth in here. Frosty mug on hand. Let's pour some of this beautiful juice. All right. Yeah, that'll refresh you on a summer day. All right, enjoy some creamy vanilla peach milkshake.